Hi guys, today I want to practice some of the trippy moves like trippy spins, trippy switches, cradles and all the stuff, because AiO is around the corner and I think we need to practice a little bit more, not just play around. Komm her, mal weg hier. Finger weg. Yeah, the spot got worse actually. The hard thing with the trippy is still holding the altitude well. That was not a tap, guys. Let's try a switch. Oh! I hit one of the little branches there. Wasn't able to turtle either. I hope I didn't lose a prop. There it is. Shouldn't be a big deal. It's looking fine. At least we are landing softly. Let's keep going. Didn't do this for quite some time. Cradle. Also, what I saw Sauna do all the time is like this. That looks pretty cool. Both sides, of course. Maybe one little trippy switch? Maybe? For this pack? Oh, not quite. Didn't get behind it. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't that bad. We are getting there again. Let's dive the guy. Oh! These little birch trees that are growing here everywhere are a little bit annoying. That's actually, we still got some juice. Let's go again. Let's try another little trippy switch. I should get a little bit closer. Yeah, that draws too much power. I can't do it again. Let's do the sauna move again. Yeah. That is actually pretty cool. Let's switch the pack and go for the next one. I lost a little bit of flight time because of the crash. Pack 2. Okay. I want to get a clean trippy switch this time. Let's go. What feels good? The 3-hour tuning session helped actually. Oh wait, when practicing I want to do both sides, not just my preferred one. Yeah, that's better. Like getting closer helps actually, which is why I like to do it with a fairly low camera angle. Yeah. Oh, also having a big tree helps a lot. And I like the roll in, like look up and roll in entry way more than the flying past and rolling into it. Like this feels easier to me. Ooh. Yeah. Also, another big thing, standing while doing a trippy spin. Not easy at all. Let's just keep it like this until we get the low battery. Already getting the low battery. Keep going. Oh. Ah, that's not easy on the LiPo actually. I can't go lower than like 3 meters above the ground because it's all scraggle here. Alright, that's it. Don't want to kill the LiPo. I bought new LiPos. Soon I will have 8 for the Kuhl, 8 of the 560 mAh. And I also got some 1000 mAh for the new 5-inch I'm going to build. Okay, let's land and pack it up. That was a good practice session. Maybe I should practice landing as well. See you guys next time. Oopsie.